We're honored to be partnering with Johnson & Johnson to manufacture the new COVID vaccine product here at this location. Behind me is the filling line that we'll be actually using to do part of the manufacturing for the new COVID product. I think so many of us have been touched by the pandemic over the last year, either personally or through our family and friends, and the opportunity to partner with another great company to deliver the COVID vaccine products is a great way to give back to our communities. What drives me to come to work every day are the people and the products. I'm really blessed to work with a really talented group of people that have spent a lot of time in their professional career manufacturing vaccines. And I think that's a noble mission for us, and it's really the commonality that brings us together every day to deliver good products to the world.